Imagine two cafes on the same street. Both sell great coffee. Both are busy. One survives, the other shuts down within a year. The difference isn't passion. It isn't marketing. It's this. One understands its numbers. The other doesn't. One owner knows exactly how much each cup costs, how much profit is left after rent and wages, and when cash will run out. The other just checks the till at the end of the day and hopes things are fine. That gap between guessing and knowing is where accounting and finance begin. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. Most businesses don't fail because the idea is bad. They fail because decisions are made without financial clarity. And that problem doesn't stay in small shops. The same logic applies to startups, corporations, and even governments. This is the Learning Studio, and today we're opening the door to accounting and finance, one of the most practical and powerful fields in the modern world. Accounting and finance aren't about liking maths. They're about control over costs, risk, growth, and survival. That's why so many students in the US, UK, and Europe choose this field, not because it's trendy, but because it's reliable, transferable, and respected across industries. And this didn't start with software or spreadsheets. Long before Excel existed, traders needed a system to track trust, who owed money, who earned profit, and whether a business was actually growing or quietly dying. That simple need turned into structured accounting. Fast forward to today, and the stakes are higher. Businesses now deal with automation, digital payments, global markets, and real-time decisions. Software can process numbers instantly, but it can't decide what those numbers mean. That responsibility still sits with humans who understand finance properly. And that's where most people get it wrong. They think accounting is about recording the past. In reality, it's about preventing future mistakes. Finance, on the other hand, is about choosing the smartest move before money is spent. In this playlist, we'll build that understanding step by step, from basics that actually matter to real-world decision-making, modern finance tools, and career relevance. No filler, no unnecessary theory, and a quick credit where it's due. Modern accounting principles trace back to Luca Pacioli, whose work made structured business decision-making possible centuries ago. Accounting tells you what happened, finance tells you what to do next. Subscribe and continue with the playlist. This is the Learning Studio. I'll see you in the next lesson.